Good morning, Labi ko. Papasok na ako. Have a good Saturday. Take care of yourself, ha? Pagaling ka, I know you still have fever. Please take care of yourself. I'm going now. Kainis na lang. Saturday may pasok. Pero ganun talaga. You're abroad. Tapos, everybody expects much from you kasi you're an expat and then you're newly hired. They're also excited what can you contribute sa company. So, I hope you get accepted to the work that you love and you like. So, I pray na maging okay ka, hindi ka magkasakit. And then, makuha mo yung goals mo sa career mo. Like, what I'm achieving now, I think I'm moving up to the ladder. I want you to also to move up to the ladder. I love you. Take care of yourself. We'll see each other in the near, very, very near future. Okay? I'm off to Singapore tomorrow. Ingat. Love you.